Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can log into your Vimeo account. You'll need to open the website of Vimeo, which is vimeo.com. After you land it on the website, you can click on the login option and then type in your email address and your password. Or if you signed up using any of these services, then you can click on these options and then you'll be automatically logged in. If you don't remember the password to your account, then you can click on forgot your password option. From there you'll be able to create your new password. After you're done, click on login with email. And just like that, you have been logged into your Vimeo account. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and we'll be soon back with more videos similar to this. Thank you for watching.